Hey guys, welcome to the garage where the magic happens. Follow me. So guys, welcome to the garage. This place is kind of being underutilized. We have an entire warehouse space and honestly, we could do a lot more with it. Right now, we are skating in here and we go golfing. Sometimes we shoot some hoops. We have some motorized vehicles that we ride around in here. We have space to learn, read some books. We have our own desks where we do client work as well as in-house work. We even have a racetrack in the building. So it's a start, but to be honest with you, most of the space is being used by the company we share it with. They're called Goat Guns, and it's a really cool product. It's like these model guns and they've got all these moving parts. They feel super substantial. They're like metal and pretty heavy. Really cool. They don't fire bullets. Link in the description for them, but they're really not utilizing the warehouse space at all. So we've been thinking a lot about revamping it, using the space for more meaningful things and turning it into a studio slash creative space for us to do a lot more exciting things with. So just really quick, a tip that we've been thinking about this week and have really been trying to apply is to do morning meetings every single weekday. So what that helps you do is set goals for your day, as well as understand exactly how your day should go, whether it's as a team or just personally by yourself, freelancing. We're finding that if we can do that every morning, we feel a lot more fulfilled, but we also get a lot more done. So that's it today, guys. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Live your dreams!